In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add texts in Shapes in Canva. This is a quick and easy way to make labels, badges, callouts, or any layout pop with clear, contained text. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're working right on the design you want to update. Once your canvas is open, add a shape. You can do this by heading to the left sidebar, choosing the section where you normally find shapes and picking the one you like best. Circles, rectangles, stars, speech bubbles, anything that fits your layout. Click the shape to add it to your page and place it where you want it to appear in your design. Now, here's the key part. Double-click directly inside the shape. When you do, you'll see a blinking text cursor appear right in the middle of it. That means the shape is ready to accept text. If you don't see the cursor right away, make sure you clicked inside the shape rather than on the edge. Try clicking once to select the shape, then double-click again in the center area until the cursor shows up. With the cursor active, type your text. Think about the message you want to convey and keep it concise so it sits nicely within the shape. Short labels, headings, or callouts usually look best in solid shapes because they're easy to read and feel balanced. After you've added your text, customize it to match your design. Use the top toolbar to choose a font that suits your style, clean and modern for a minimal design, or bold and playful for something more fun. Adjust the font size so the text fits comfortably inside the shape without touching the edges. You can also change the text color. Aim for strong contrast between the text and the shape behind it for maximum readability. For example, light text on a dark shape or dark text on a light shape. If needed, tweak the weight or letter spacing to fine-tune the look. Next, set the alignment. Left, center, or right alignment can change the feel of your layout, but centered text often works best inside most shapes because it keeps things balanced. If you have multiple lines, check the line spacing so everything breathes and looks intentional. That's all there is to it. Add your shape, double-click to activate the text cursor, type your message, and then refine the font, color, and alignment until it looks just right. With this simple workflow, you'll be able to create clean, polished designs in no time.